hope you guys are doing well. So it's that time again when we'll be eating on camera. What? Alright, so that was a very weird introduction. Firstly, the brand today that I'll be talking about is RiteBite Max Protein. You guys must have seen this brand on Big Basket, on a lot of places, as well as online. You must have seen me talking about this because I personally keep on buying their stuff from Big Basket. So today I have the same bars with me, like workout bars and meal replacement bars and all of that. But along with that, RiteBite has sent these new products which are like chips, but they are like healthy version of chips, which is like so yummy. And I'm already drooling because they have this cream onion variant. I love the flavor of cream onion. So yeah, they have some really cool and healthy stuff out here. So if you want to know about all of these things, as well as if you're wondering how can all these things be healthy, then I think we should start with the video. Okay, so firstly, they have sent me these two bars. So this is the first package. This is the workout bar and the box is really cool. So by the way, this box is for 360 rupees and you get 6 bars inside it. You also get individual bars. You can find it on Big Basket as well as on the site of RiteBite. That is up to you how many you want to buy. Generally, boxes are a better investment if you ask me. So this is something that you can grab while you're on your way to the gym, or for a run, or if you've just come back. So this will keep you full for 2 hours. Now I know a lot of packages, a lot of things in the market, especially fitness stuff, they tell you all these things, but sometimes they do not live up to the claims and stuff. I have been consuming these for a while. Like personally, I was introduced to this brand because of my collaboration with them last year, but I have been having this stuff for a while. Now coming to the first thing, this is in the variant Choco Berry, which is like yummy. It has like berries and obviously chocolate, that is the name, but it is nothing like those overpowering berry taste that kind of gives you a headache. It is not something like that. Let me actually show you one of the bars. So this is how the workout bar looks like. It's 10 grams of protein, 0 added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, preservatives and all of that, and it has 5 grams of fiber. It has like multiple vitamins, electrolytes and omega-3, all of those nutrients that your body needs. In our daily fast-paced life, we often miss out on breakfast or food or stuff. So this is something which I personally love a lot, because I'm someone who cannot instantly consume food and go to the go for like workout. I generally don't go to the gym. I like do yoga at home, or maybe like a little walk or a run or something like that. So I instantly don't feel like eating, and this is very light, but again it keeps you full for a very, very long time, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Individually, these retail for 65 rupees for 50 grams. And this is how it looks like. I'm definitely going to eat it for you guys. So this is how the workout bar looks like, if you can see. So this is the second bar that they have sent me. I'm sorry for the reflection, you guys. So yeah, this is the second one. This is the meal replacement bar. This is called the Max Protein Active, and I think in my last video RiteBite's team had seen it, that I had said that this is my favorite flavor out of all the flavors. This is the green coffee flavor and I love this flavor. This is like so yummy. I mean, it doesn't feel like I'm having something healthy, it feels like I'm having my dessert. This is so yummy and once again so filling. Unlike the workout bar, which keeps you filled like 2 hours and all of that, this one will keep you full for like good 3 to 4 hours. I obviously use it sometimes as a meal replacement, like sometimes when I'm outside, or I'm too lazy, like no one's at home and it's like very late to eat lunch, I eat this. Even when I'm editing like continuously, video editing, or writing blog posts and all of that, it takes like almost the entire day. Like if I sit at 11, I'll get up at 4, 5, 6, something like that. So something that keeps me full for a longer period are these bars. You can just have it directly from the packet. So this is the second bar. Now this one has 20 grams of protein, again 21 vitamins, omega-3, no artificial sweetener, preservatives and all of that. So this is like not something you are consuming chemicals. Now this one bar is for 125 rupees for 70 grams, and this entire box is for 695 rupees for 6 bars. So this is the second bar. This is you, and this is like my entire lunch in a packet. This is so yummy. So guys, now comes the chips. So I have two variants out here with me and I have already opened. First variant that I have is cream and onion, a classic favorite, and the other variant that I have is desi masala. So we have two variants over here. And now coming to the fact, why these chips, what is the difference between these and the ones that are sold, like everywhere, and we keep on binging on them, and which are not good for us. So the thing is that these do not have corn, wheat, rice and potato and all of that. These are made of super grains like quinoa. The reason why I first mentioned quinoa is because quinoa is something that has helped me a lot, in my fitness journey, in just taking care of my health. And this is, by the way, gluten free. So in the last few months I have been tested with gluten sensitivity. Anything with gluten instantly makes me lethargic, causes so many reactions, and all my life it's crazy. All my life I have been having gluten and stuff, and suddenly you develop certain conditions and you become sensitive to these things. So these are gluten free. They are made of ragi and quinoa and soy, jowar, and it's actually written all over here. So that is one thing, and it has again 10 grams of protein, it has low GI and 4 grams of fiber. They taste really good. They are not one of those healthy snacks that taste terrible and you cannot eat them. These taste like actual snacks. So yeah, this is the first variant and this is the second one. This is the desi masala one. I'm actually going to try out this one in front of you guys. This smells heavenly, and every time I'm talking with it in front of my nose, I'm I want to eat it. So this is how this looks like, and they feel a lot like those toasted biscuits. This is a little thicker than your regular chips, and 60 grams of this product retails for 40 Indian rupees. I'm also actually going to try out this second variant, desi masala. I don't know how many of you are Bengalis who are watching this, but this tastes like chanachur, togchal chanachur, like sweet and sour chanachur. It tastes like yummy, and it is one of my favorite things. It tastes like that. It tastes so yummy. So this is the second variant. So these are the two chips, by the way. Both of them retail for 40 Indian rupees each. These are the products. Now when I make these kind of videos where I talk about supplements or food or stuff, I don't necessarily be like you also have to buy this. I talk about such things because I personally find these kind of videos very helpful, because once again it is not easy for me because I'm always outside. It's very easy for me to just grab a chaat or grab a burger or hot dog or something like that, and in the long run it ruins my skin. Okay, like sweets, for example, if I have a proper source like a proper brownie or something, the next day I'll wake up with so many breakouts out here. My hormones will go crazy. Okay, so I have to really make sure even when I'm having a cheat meal, it is nothing too crazy. And I'm pretty sure with the modern lifestyle and with PCOS, PCOD and thyroid and all of these things around us, I'm pretty sure a lot of you out there are looking for healthier alternatives. It is not really easy to switch from unhealthy to healthy, one day and one step at a time. So these snacks and workout bars will really help you in that. And they are nothing too crazy. They are not like junk that you're putting inside your body. They have what you really need. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to talk more about health and fitness as well on this channel. I'm really looking forward to your suggestions. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.